Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can activate Capital One debit card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Capital One app on your phone, enter your username on top, your password, and simply tap on sign in. Once you've done that, your interface gonna pop up like this with your account's balance on top, and in the bottom section you can see the section of activate your debit card, and you can see card tracker. All you gotta do is simply tap on it, and now you simply have to tap on the activate. But before that, make sure check your mails, because your debit card will be mailed to you. Once you have received that, then only go through the activation purpose, otherwise it might get misused. Once you have received the card, tap on card tracker. Now you can see card ending in the date is gonna sit over here, including your expiration date. Once you have confirmed the information as you have received in your card, and then simply slide this little arrow which says slide to activate, simply slide it to your right and you're good to go. Your card will be activated and you can use it however you like. So this is how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.